Could Pi Network become the next global currency? Will it replace the US dollar, or is it just another speculative asset in the crypto world? In this video, we'll explore the possibilities, risks, and the potential financial future for Pi users. Whether you're an early adopter or just curious, stay tuned to find out. Pi Network is a digital currency project that allows users to mine Pi coins using their smartphones. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires powerful hardware, Pi uses a unique consensus algorithm that makes mining energy efficient and accessible to anyone. But the big question remains, what will Pi be worth when it becomes fully tradable? Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility. Bitcoin, for example, has seen massive price swings over the years. Will Pi follow the same path, or will it offer more stability? Supporters argue that its large user base and controlled distribution could make it a more stable digital currency. However, without a real-world value yet, its future remains uncertain. Some enthusiasts believe Pi could one day replace traditional currencies like the US dollar. Its ease of use and decentralized nature could make it an alternative to bank-controlled money. But for that to happen, Pi would need widespread adoption by businesses, governments, and financial institutions, something that even Bitcoin and Ethereum haven't fully achieved. Pi operates on an interest-free model, meaning transactions could be cheaper and more efficient than traditional banking systems. This could revolutionize everyday purchases, making financial services more accessible, especially in developing countries. But without a clear financial infrastructure, can Pi really sustain itself in the long run? Early adopters of Bitcoin saw massive gains, but many altcoins have failed. Will Pi make its early users wealthy, or will it struggle to gain value? While joining early could be rewarding, the risk of Pi never reaching mainstream adoption is also real. If the project doesn't secure partnerships and regulatory approvals, its value could remain low, or even collapse. Pi Network is an exciting project with a lot of potential, but its future is still unclear. If it succeeds, it could create new financial opportunities. If not, it may end up as just another experimental crypto. So, should you keep mining Pi? The choice is yours, but as with any investment, always stay informed and manage your risks wisely. What do you think? Will Pi change the future of money or fade into obscurity? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on crypto and digital finance. See you in the next video.